Andrea, and this is Miss Andrea's Art Room. Today we are going to explore something completely new for me. It is steampunk. I'm pretty confident you guys are very familiar with this. I've seen it many times before. It is kind of like a newish artistic style that explores ideas from the Victorian era. So you can take a look at my very old looking phone. And it combines it with like technological designs. It's definitely inspired by the steam engines. So lots of things that are added and that can be part of these are like simple tools, bolts, screws. One thing I just looked into was my little toolbox or the junk drawer. You might find things in there that you want to explore, but my little tool box tends to have a bunch of like really interesting things I could use to add onto my steampunk designs. What that means is we are going to take a natural looking thing, a living creature, like a bird or a fish, or you can do a plant, human, anything that is kind of realistic, and then you are slowly going to add details to it that resemble a mechanical engine. Some steps that you need to take is first to do the drawing of the realistic thing, just simple outline of it, not a lot of detail, but just enough to give you an idea of the design of it. And then we're slowly going to add like screws, bolts, plates, armor, maybe a different kind of leathery skin. Last details are kind of like this worn look and shading that adds to this kind of whimsical design. So let's take a look at how mine works, and good luck with yours.